Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I just wanted to show you a small but interesting thing that you can pick up at the dollar store that can save you maybe a little bit of effort when trying to build bridge abutments and maybe trying to get some pieces of wood that you might need for scenery. So this looks like it's a small pallet. You can get them at the dollar store for like $4. And what's interesting about them is that with a hacksaw, you're able to get a whole lot of little pieces of wood out of them. Now these are laminated pieces of wood, so they're not really good pieces of wood, but they are decent enough for the purposes of making scenery with. But what's more interesting is when you cut them, you can get these little abutment things. Now these are interesting because these abutments, or what I'm going to be using as abutments, are perfect height for model trains in N scale. So it saves me a lot of effort and time, and they're pretty cheap. And it's just kind of an interesting way of getting something that that little bevel here is very hard to get if you're trying to make it yourself. So the bevel is already there, which is the interesting thing. So all you need to do is sand it down properly, glue two together, which I have done already, and you can get an abutment that is actually wide enough for my bridge scene in my Corona Central layout. Or if you just want a single track abutment that's going to hold like a Cato bridge, this is perfect. So, you know, from this $4 thing, you've gotten a lot of bridge abutments and a lot of wood that you can use for different items that you need on your model railroad. For me, I'm going to be using this for the backing of my scenery to make tunnels and such. So, anyways, I just thought I'd show you this. It's very easy. Just all you need is the hacksaw, something like this. Or if you have a jigsaw, even better. So, thank you for watching and have a good day.